Hello everyone. This video may help you to understand what is arithmetic mean and its computational procedure for grouped and ungrouped data. Many times we are interested in a single number which represents the data. For example, average marks of a student, average profit of a company in a year, average run rate of a team in particular match, etc. What is this average? This average is nothing but arithmetic mean. The mean is found by adding all the observations in the data, then dividing the sum by number of observations. Arithmetic mean is simply known as mean. It is one of the measure of central tendency. It is commonly used and widely applicable. Let us see the definition of arithmetic mean for ungrouped data. Suppose x1, x2, xn is a set of n observations. Then arithmetic mean is defined as x1 plus x2 plus so on xn divided by n. Or simply we can write x bar equal to summation xi divided by n. Arithmetic mean is denoted as x bar. Let us see one example. This data shows marks of a student in 8 subjects. That student is interested to know average marks he has scored. So in order to find average or arithmetic mean, we have to add all the observations. Then divide this sum by the number of observations. We get average marks of that student is 76.87. This is definition of arithmetic mean for grouped data. Suppose x1, x2, xn are the values with f1, f2, fn as the corresponding frequencies. It means that x1 has occurred f1 times, x2 has occurred f2 times and xn has occurred fn times. Then the arithmetic mean is x1 into f1 plus x2 into f2 plus xn into fn divided by f1 plus f2 plus so on fn. Or simply we can write x bar equal to summation xi fi divided by summation of fi. Let us see example. In this case, xi's and their corresponding fi's are given and we have to compute arithmetic mean. We know that arithmetic mean is sum of all the observations divided by number of observations. So in order to find arithmetic mean, we compute one more column, that is xi into fi. So let us compute 10 into 4 40, 11 into 3 33, 12 into 8 96. Similarly we can compute rest of the entries. In order to find arithmetic mean, we need summation xi fi and summation fi. So let us find addition of this column, that is 522, and sum of this frequency, that is 40. Therefore x bar equal to 522 divided by 40 equal to 13.05. So arithmetic mean of this given data is 13.05. Here is another example. In this case, class intervals and their corresponding frequencies are given. We have to obtain xi. How do we obtain xi? In such examples, xi can be obtained by taking mean of upper limit and lower limit. Or simply we can say xi's can be midpoint of these class intervals. So let us find xi first. 5 plus 1, 6 divided by 2 is 3. 10 plus 6, 16 divided by 2 is 8. Similarly, we can find xi for rest of the two class intervals. Now, our job is to find summation xi and summation fi. So, construct this column of multiplication. This 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 8, 96. 13 into 13, 260, 14 into 18, 252. Let us find addition of these numbers, that is 620. Substitute this 620 in the formula and summation of fi 50 in the formula. Therefore, x bar equal to 620 divided by 50 equal to 12.4. So 12.4 is arithmetic mean of this given frequency distribution. Here is one more example. In this case also, class intervals are given and their corresponding frequencies are given. So we have to repeat the same procedure. We have to obtain xi as a mid values. Here 20 plus 0 divided by 2, 10. 40 plus 20, 60 divided by 2 is 30. Similarly, we can find remaining xi. Now this xi into fi we can find by multiplying this xi and fi. So 5 into 10, 50, 11 into 30, 330. Similarly, we can obtain the rest of the multiplications. Then addition of these numbers is 3300 and summation of fi is 60. Substitute these values in the formula, then we get x bar equal to 3300 divided by 60 equal to 55. It means that 55 is arithmetic mean of given frequency distribution.